Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my summon, my 50 special summon. So you can get 50 character or 50 units from this banner because I already got all the tickets for this banner. So what you need to do first is tap the mission first, check out the mission first. So I already succeed this mission, all the mission from part 1 until part 3. The last mission is a easy A of this guy and this guy. If you do not have yet easy A this guy, please do it, and you can get the final ticket and get Kai. So without further ado, let's summon my 50 special summon whose I've got. Summon. Well, I think it's not bad. Blue Vegeta, please. Yes. I want to make it short. I will cut some character. Well, I finished the summon, so hope as the character that I get are this my LR that I've got Android 17. I already got this guy, so this is will be my duplicate. So please free to try, complete the mission first and go summon this 50 character special summon banner. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.